Welcome to our deep dive into GitHub repositories. A repository is the foundation of any GitHub project. Think of it as a superpowered folder that not only stores your code but also tracks every change, manages collaboration, and maintains the entire history of your project. Today, we'll learn everything you need to know about creating and managing repositories effectively. These objectives cover everything you need to know to start working with repositories effectively. We'll take a practical approach, and by the end of this session, you'll be ready to create and manage your own repositories professionally. Remember, good repository practices are the foundation of successful collaboration. Think of a repository as a smart project folder. Unlike regular folders, it keeps track of every change made to your files, who made them, and when. It's not just storage, it's a complete project management system. The real power comes from its ability to track changes and facilitate collaboration between team members. The choice between public and private repositories depends on your project's needs. Public repositories are great for open-source projects and building your portfolio. Private repositories are perfect for sensitive code or client projects. Both types offer the same features, the only difference is visibility and access control. Creating a repository is straightforward, but there are important decisions to make. Choose a clear, descriptive name. This will be part of your repository's URL. The description helps others understand your project quickly. Always initialize with a README, we'll discuss why in the next slide. The license and .gitignore choices can be changed later, but it's easier to set them up at creation. The README is often the first thing people see when they visit your repository. It's your project's first impression, so make it count. Write it in Markdown for better formatting. A good README answers, what does this project do? How do I install it? How do I use it? How can I contribute? Keep it updated as your project evolves. A well-organized repository makes it easier for others, and future you, to understand and contribute to the project. The structure should be logical and consistent. The SRC folder contains your source code, docs for documentation, tests for your test files, and examples for usage examples. This structure can vary based on your project's needs, but consistency is key. The .gitignore file is crucial for keeping your repository clean and secure. It tells Git which files and directories to ignore. Always exclude dependency directories, log files, environment files with secrets, and system files. You can find good templates for different programming languages on GitHub. Remember, once a file is committed, adding it to .gitignore won't remove it from history. Choosing the right license is crucial for your project. The MIT license is popular for its simplicity and permissiveness. GPL enforces open-source distribution. Apache is good for patent protection. If you don't include a license, nobody has permission to use your code. Choose based on how you want others to use and share your work. Following these best practices will make your repository professional and maintainable. Always keep documentation updated, use clear and consistent organization, and protect your main branch from direct commits. Remember, a well-maintained repository makes collaboration easier and shows professionalism in your work. Congratulations! You now understand the fundamentals of GitHub repositories. The next step is to create your own repository and start building something. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start with a small personal project and gradually implement all these concepts. Don't hesitate to look at popular repositories for inspiration on structure and documentation.